Welcome back to Blog TV and to YouTube. This is dmpbreaks.com. We're doing a 3-box Panini Contenders football break. We're looking for 24 packs in each box, 5 cards in each pack, and each box should be yielding 6 autographs. So this was pretty close to sold out. I'm going to go through the list of participants. Everybody who gets cards, base, or autographs, we'll send them to you in the mail. First off, Carolina Panthers are going to Arthur F. Cards and Wine, I want to welcome back Rob. Thanks for coming back, Rob. Got you down for the Packers. Dan the Man, thanks for coming back. I got you down for the Patriots. D. Tortson, again, thank you for coming back. I got you down for the Bengals, the Cowboys, the Colts, the Giants, the Eagles, the Rams, and the Redskins. Ryan English, I've got you down for Cardinals, Chiefs, Raiders, Chargers, and Titans. Thank you for coming back. F. Wise Guy, welcome back. Haven't seen you in a little while. I got you down for the Browns. Frosty 12, again, welcome back. I got you down for the Seahawks. Luis, thank you very much. Got you down for the Ravens. OKC Thunder Up 12, welcome back. I got you down for the Lions and the Texans. Paul Schaefer 81, welcome back. I've got you down for the Falcons, Bears, and Jaguars. Porter 5858, welcome back. I got you down for the Broncos. Streak 27, welcome back. I got you down for the Dolphins and the Buccaneers. And Thomas L, always a consistent breaker with us. Thanks for coming back, Thomas L. I got you down with the Vikings, the Jets, and the Niners. So here we go. Without further ado, box number 1, Contenders Football 2012. So far this year, I think in the shop we've had 5 or 6 cases busted, and we've seen, out of those 6 cases, 3 Andrew Luck autos. So, pretty good chance. We could get something good out of here. I'm going to buzz through all the base cards and just show up all the rookies and the other inserts. There's our first autograph, Omar Bolden from the Broncos. This is the regular version. Base and base. Got an insert. Guy that just got a contract extension. Tom Brady from the Patriots. Got something foily here. This could be a good one. Let's see if there's an auto on it or not. Do a little slow roll here. So this is going to be, I think, a playoff ticket, which is, yep, out of 99. We got a Lion. It's going to be autographs. Nope, it is Matt Stafford. Playoff ticket. This one's number 14 of 99. The Lions. Not bad. All base cards in that pack. Got an MVP die cut, Tony Romo. No focus. Base and base. Upside down. There's another die cut. Luke Kuechly. Jaguars. Base, base. No, we got a redemption this time. See what we got here. Focus first. Sorry. There we go. Contenders Draft class autograph. So that's unique. We haven't seen one of those in a long time. Card number 8. Anybody know who that is? I think this is a dual autograph, if I'm not mistaken. Oh boy. Look at that. Seattle Seahawks. That's the second huge Russell Wilson autograph I've had in the shop today. Somebody pulled a Rookie Stallions auto numbered to 25 earlier. That's a good card right there. Congratulations to the Seahawks owner for that one. We got Emmitt Smith, Legendary Champions. Rookie Stallions, Nick Perry from Green Bay. All base cards in that one. There's an MVP die cut, Cam Newton. Base. So only 2 autographs out of the first half of that box. Should get 4 on this side, and there's another redemption. That's interesting. Let's see what we got here. All right, everybody ready? Contenders, rookie ticket, rookie premier signatures number 235. Anybody? Chicago Bears, Alshon Jeffrey. Wow, solid box so far. Congratulations to the Bears owner. Rookie Stallions, Mohamed Sanu, Bengals. Rookie, oh, there's another autograph. Kevin Zeitler, Bengals. And that is the normal version. All right, moving on. There's another autograph. And it appears to be another Seahawk. Look at that. Bruce Urban. Somebody got their money's worth today. That is the normal version as well. West Virginia, first rounder. Die cut. Perfect. And the Bengals. What we got here? Bonnie Avery, base card. All base cards in that pack. Deion Branch, Patriots. So I'll do a recap of all the autographs if I have time at the end of the video. I've only got a half hour to get through all these. Tim Benford autograph, Dallas Cowboys. Also the regular version. Tennessee Tech. Rookie Stallions, Alfred Morris. MVP die cut, Tom Brady. 2 more packs left from this box. All base, 1 left. Not sure if we're expecting another auto or not. Nope, must not be. Justin Blackmon, die cut. So pretty solid first box. That's one down, two to go. Let's get right to it. Be pretty tough to beat that first box, but you never know. I'd like to see a cracked ice come out. That'd be good. There's another redemption. And the only good news is that some of these redemptions are pretty solid. All right, here we go. You guys ready? Contenders, rookie ticket, number 230, Nick Toon, New Orleans Saints. I don't think that one belongs to anybody. Well, by the way, anything you see get pulled that doesn't belong to somebody, we make available for sale on our website, dmpbreaks.com, in the card shop. So there's Dan Herron, autograph, Cincinnati Bengals. That's the regular version as well. Rookie Stallions, Kuechly, I don't know how he says his name. Heard it said a zillion different ways. All base cards in that pack. MVP die cut, Calvin Johnson Jr. from the Lions. Coakley. All right, I'll give it a shot that way. Well, we got another foil card, so that's another playoff ticket. Should be numbered to 99, if I'm not mistaken. All right, you guys ready for the slow reveal here? Let's see who we got. I think we got the team in the upper right-hand corner. Anybody? Looks like, I'm going to say Texans. Yep. We got Arian Foster. Number 37 of 99, Houston Texans. See, what did I tell you? Is it Coakley or is it Keekley? Heard it 1,000 different ways. Die cut, Robert Turbin, Seahawks. Yeah, let's go with that, Smith. I like that. Oh, there's another one out of the same box. How about that? Maybe this one's got an autograph on it. Let's see, oh, focus up here. This one could be good. That looks like a Colts logo to me. Anybody else see a Colts logo there? Autograph. Vic Ballard. Out of 99. Number 4 of 99. There we go. Good looking card. Got to keep your fingerprints off of that one. So that's 3 playoff tickets in 2 boxes. This one, we got another die cut Seahawk, Bruce Irvin. Base, 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 base. If anybody's in the mood to do some more Contenders football, we could do Contenders group break number 3 that's also on dmpbreaks.com right now. We just have to sell it out and we can do it. Base. Bill Sims, New York Giants. Base. All right. We're halfway through the break now. Let's see what we got here. Die cut. Rookie of the Year Contenders, Michael Floyd. Bill Bentley autograph. I think we have one of those already, don't we? Maybe not. 3rd round. Lafayette. James Harrison, Steelers. All base. Rookie Stallions, Ryan Tannehill. Miami Dolphins. All base. Gotta be a few more autos in here. Rookie Stallions, Shea McClellan. All right, OKC, we got a whole nother box to go, buddy. There's one. Mike Martin, Tennessee Titans. And that is the regular version also. From Michigan, 3rd rounder. A little bit of a ding in the bottom of that one. Kind of see it there. Pack feeder problem or whatever. There's another MVP die cut of Brady. When they put them in there upside down like that, it psychs me out. I always think it's going to be an auto when I see the white edge on the left. There's another Cam Newton die cut. A couple of those so far. Okay, last pack in this box, everybody. And what do we got here? Chargers. Melvin Ingram. Big boy right there. Drafted 1st round, South Carolina. 264 pounds. All right, that's it. Box number 2 is done. Okay, here we go. Box number 3. Like I mentioned earlier, if I have enough time at the end of the video, I'll do a recap of all the autographs that have come out, in case you were late joining us. Okay, good luck, everybody. There's Darren McFadden, MVP die cut. There's an autograph. A.J. Jenkins from the Niners. And that is the regular version as well. 1st rounder. If you guys want to sell out that box break number 3 of Contenders, we can get that going tonight too. Justin Blackman, Die cut. Base, 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 base. Rod Smith from the Broncos. There's an autograph. Tim Benford again. Regular version. Peyton Manning with the Colts. Courtney Upshaw, upside down. There we go. Ravens. And that is the photo variation. I don't know how many of those there are, but it could be a short print. Rookie Stallions. Shea McClellan. Believe me, I would love to pull a luck on camera here. That'd be a great. There's an autograph. Adrian Robinson. New York Giants. Regular version. Die cut, Drew Brees, MVP. All base. Okay, half a box down, half a box to go. That backwards. Base, base. There's Luke Smith from the Panthers. Well, now the cards are coming out all weird. This is interesting. They were predictable there for a little while. Now they're all upside down and backwards. All base in that one. Die cut MVP, Ray Rice, Ravens. Base cards. Die cut, David Wilson from the Giants. So waiting for a couple more autos to come out. There's one. On-card autograph. Michael Floyd. That's a good looking signature too. Some of the ones of his that I've seen have been way too low on the card. Notre Dame first rounder. Regular version. No luck on the luck, I guess. There's another die cut of Luke Smith. There's another autograph. Jared Crick from the Texans. Regular version. Focus for me. Now, Nebraska, I'll tell you. There you go. Okay, so there's 4 packs left. I don't know if there would have to be a bonus at this point if we get something else. Steve Young from the Niners. Oh, look at that. Got another playoff ticket. That's 4 in 3 boxes now. See who we got this time. Come on, focus for me. There you go. Anybody? Like, what is that, Bills? Like the Bills. What we got here? Fred Jackson out of 99. Number 22 of 99. On auto. 2 more packs. And we'll do a quick recap of the autos. Looks like we're going to have a minute or 2 to spare. Rookie Stallion, Tannehill. For everybody that's watching live right now, if you want to stick around, we can talk about doing some more breaks if you're interested. And that would be it. 3 boxes, Contenders football in the books. Thank you guys for watching at dmpbreaks.com. Sorry about that. So here's a quick recap. Box number 1. We got a Benford. We got a Bruce Irvin. We got a Kevin Zeitler. We got a redemption for Alshon Jeffrey. We got a redemption for a dual auto, Turbin and Russell Wilson. And we got an Omar Bolden. Box number 2 ended up with Melvin Ingram. Come on, focus. There we go. Got a Melvin Ingram. We got a Mike Martin. We got a Bill Bentley. We got a playoff ticket autograph of Vic Ballard. We got a Dan Heron. And we got a redemption for Nick Toon. And then box number 3, we just finished. We've got Jared Crick. On card Michael Floyd. Adrian Robinson. Courtney Upshaw. Tim Benford again, and A.J. Jenkins. So that's it. 3 boxes of Contenders football. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll have your cards in the mail to you within the next 48 hours. And check out dmpbreaks.com for our upcoming breaks. Thanks for watching.